In today's lecture, we are going to work on profile image update. So here, for this input field, for this image input field, we will be passing on change event handler. Inside this, we will pass the function name as profile image update. Copy this function and below this, I'm just going to create this function. Here, we will be passing this event object and then open this function. Before proceeding with this function, I'm just going to open register.jsx. In this file, we have written the code. You can see, let me open. For this avatar, we have written this entire code. Now exact same thing we are going to perform, but now instead of checking for the condition directly, this entire content I'm going to copy. And inside this, I'm just going to paste. We have created instance for file reader and this is nothing but JavaScript object using which asynchronously we can read contents of the file. And once reading is completed, we will fire this onload event handler. And if a ready state is true, then accordingly, we are going to update our set avatar preview and set avatar. Then finally, we will read that data as a URL and we will be extracting first file from the target. If you want, you can also handle the error. For that, I will be writing reader and here we are going to pass this on error. So using this, if you are having some issues while reading the content of the file, then this error will be thrown. So inside this, I will be passing this error object. So if you are having any error, this event will be fired. And inside this, we can simply use this toast, hit enter, it will be imported. Toast.error. Inside this, I will write error reading file. That's it. You don't have to do anything. Exact same thing what we have done in register.jsx. Exact same thing you have to copy and paste. Now come here. We will not be having any user profile, but later on, whatever profile we are having, that profile we are just going to display here. Let me show in demo. You can see whatever profile user is having, we are just going to show that profile picture in this place.